Sexual harassment occurs more frequently than you would think, and it can dramatically affect a workplace environment. Today we're going to discuss sexual harassment on the job and what you can do to prevent it in your workplace. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission receives more than 10,000 complaints about sexual harassment from U.S. workers every year. And based on several studies, this is probably just the tip of the iceberg. Sexual harassment can be devastating for its victims, and it also damages the companies they work for by creating a hostile work environment, decreasing productivity, and increasing expenses. When an employee takes their employer to court over a sexual harassment claim, the cost of a settlement or awards to plaintiffs can be substantial. So no company can afford to ignore sexual harassment. Your company depends on managers and supervisors like you to prevent this type of abuse from occurring. In this program, we'll talk about the nature of sexual harassment, what you can do to prevent it in your department, and how you should deal with it if it does occur.